Bonjour Anna. So in the previous video you received the pictures plus the pronunciation of le rez-de-chaussée, le premier étage, le deuxième étage, le troisième étage. There are like 15 mistakes on the building, in the building, and we saw also the different rooms. So, but it's already in the previous video, okay? So I went through everything. Now I want to come back to this. Icon words become ic in French. Politique, économique, philosophique, astronomique, logique, pratique. There is no C here. Pratique. Ce n'est pas logique, mais c'est très pratique comme ça. It is not logical, but it's very practical like that, on that way. The French adjectives follow the noun. So if I have the political situation, where is the noun? The noun is here. So it comes here. La situation politique, la situation économique et la situation politique et économique en France. Je voudrais aller en France. I would like to go to France. Je voudrais passer les vacances en France. I'd like to spend the vacation in France. Okay. The end of recording because this is the first part. The second part is we did that. What impression do you have of the political and economical situation in France? We know it's feminine here. Quelle impression avez-vous de la situation politique et économique en France? At the present time, à présent. What impression do you have for me? Quelle sorte de réservation avez-vous pour moi? Quelle sorte de réservation voulez-vous pour ce soir? Do you want? Do you have? Be careful of those guys. Do you want? Do you have? Avez-vous? As-tu? Voulez-vous? Veux-tu? Tu veux? Vous voulez? Etc. Okay. Petit. C'est très petit. It's very small. C'est trop petit. It's too small. Tard. Late. C'est très tard. But I can also add il est très tard if it's when I'm talking about the time. You know, I'm looking at the clock. It's very late. C'est très tard. Or il est très tard. C'est trop tard. Or il est trop tard. Again, it's the same. C'est trop pour moi. It's too much for me. C'est trop pour moi. So be careful of the pronunciation. Petite and petit. Grande and grand. So he's big, il est grand. She's big, or she's tall, elle est grande. She's little, she's short, elle est petite. So vite, there is an E here. It's missing an E. Vite, like that. Okay? Vite. And it's very fast. C'est très vite. In fact, it's a mistake here. C'est très rapide. It's too fast for me. C'est trop vite pour moi. Or c'est trop rapide pour moi. Okay? We'll come back to this because there's a lot of confusion actually. To speak, it's an ion verb. So parler. Ion verb, we have the following endings: E, ES, E1S, EZ, ENT. So I don't know why, but there is a typo here. So VITE, just keep that in mind. You speak too fast for me. Vous parlez trop vite pour moi. Aller, to go. You are going, vous allez trop vite pour moi. It's very good. C'est très bon. So remember the si, so can be also if. Si c'est si bon, if it's so good. Si c'est si bon, c'est si bon. It's so good, c'est si bon. If it's so good, si c'est si bon. I would like to know if it's so good. If it's that good in a sense. Je voudrais savoir si c'est si bon. I'd like to know why it's so good. Je voudrais savoir pourquoi c'est si bon. Okay. We saw going. Going can be a present tense or it can also be a future, near future. I'm going to work tomorrow. Okay. So, I need to focus here. Just be careful of the endings. Port, aéroport, but porte, because there's an E here. Okay. Sac, a bag, a bag or a purse. Blanc, white. Franc, vin blanc, un verre de vin blanc, a glass of white wine. Je voudrais un verre de vin blanc, I would like a glass of white wine. Bottle is bouteille, and it's feminine, une bouteille. Je voudrais une bouteille, I would like a bottle of whatever, hein, it can be orange juice, soda, whatever, hein, or water. So, je voudrais une bouteille de vin blanc. Je voudrais une bouteille de vin blanc, I'd like a bottle of white wine. De l'eau, some water, or water. Je voudrais un verre de vin blanc. Je voudrais un verre d'eau. Je voudrais un verre d'eau minérale, a glass of mineral water. Okay. We studied that briefly. Normal. So AL will stay the same in English and in French. Normal. There is just one L here. There is a lot of typo for some reason. So normalement. So every time we have this LLY, in French it's going to be MENT. Okay? Normalement. Normalement. Général, généralement. Animal, animal. Special, spécial. It's very special. C'est très spécial. Especially for you. Spécialement pour vous, pour toi. Okay? But anyway, we can just stop here. I'll correct all the typo, huh? So don't worry. It's a normal file, so don't always check everything. Anyway, you have a wonderful evening, and so you're gonna try to remember everything I did on this file, okay, and of course I'm gonna correct everything, but anyway, you have a good evening, passe une très bonne soirée, et on se voit donc demain à 1h. À bientôt.